Hi, I'm Jess with Keep Supply, and today we're talking about a great new partnership with Danfoss. If you work in refrigeration or on HVAC systems, you know how much time gets eaten up hunting down specs, calculating pressures, and trying to find the right parts. Danfoss has made an incredible app that streamlines that entire process. And when you're ready to order, it connects you straight with Keep Supply, and we ship you the parts that you need. Search for the free RevTools app on the App Store or Google Play, or go straight to revtools.danfoss.com on any browser. One tap and you're in. Start with the Refrigerant Slider. Pressure temp ratios for over 80 refrigerants right at your fingertips. No more dog-eared charts. Got a system acting up? Troubleshooter walks you through symptoms, identifies issues, and gives you solutions on the spot. The Low-GWP Tool helps you compare climate-friendly refrigerants and check TXV compatibility so retrofits go smooth. Product Finder is huge. Search any Danfoss component and pull the specs, documentation, installation guides, and spare parts. Then build a list and share it right from the job site. And when you're ready to order, Keep Supply is your distributor right in the app. Find the part, tap the order, and we'll get it to you. Same parts, same service you know from Keep Supply. RevTools is fast, free, and built for technicians who don't have time to waste. Download it today.